Welcome to Big Red Leads. I'm Big Red, getting you and your business back to the black. Today, I want to talk to you about targets and goals. Okay? Understand there is a difference between targets and goals. Goals are things that are not necessarily attainable in a short period of time. I use the word goals a lot because it resonates with people a little bit better than targets. Now, understand, targets are things that you hit on a daily basis, whether it be sales calls, closes, completed deals, whatever it is for you in your career, your job, your business, whatever that is for you, conversations that need to be had. Understand, you're knocking down targets on a daily basis. You need a lot of targets to get to a goal. This is why hitting targets and working your schedule. I did a video on where's your schedule at. You should be able to go to your schedule and break down that time. I want you to pull out your scheduler, break that time down. Now, I've had several different mentors in my young sales career. When I say young, it's relative. I've been in sales for over 17 years. Understand, when you are working these things out and you're hitting these targets, understand, as a young salesperson, when you're first starting out, your targets might be one out of 10. Every 10 people you talk to, you sell one. 2 out of 10. Whatever that is, your goal might be able to get to 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Every single person you talk to, you're constantly getting the deal done, closing, constantly closing, bringing in more sales, more revenue for you and your family and your business. Okay? If that's the goal, then you should have this stuff broken down. This scheduler, your schedule, should be broken down. There's many ways to do this. I've had several mentors, and every last one of them have done their schedule differently. The ones that I truly like are the ones who break down an hour into like 15-minute, 10-minute, 5-minute increments. Whatever works for you. Things and activities that take place and targets that you're trying to hit, that something that might take you 2, 3, 4, 5 hours to do, you get it done in 15 minutes. You get it done in 10 minutes. Okay? You're breaking this stuff down. And understand, you can write a little note to yourself. If you write out your schedule for the week, you can always add things to it. What we're doing with this is multiplying our time, and we're multiplying our activity to get more things done, get more things accomplished, so that you can actually see the fruit growing of your labor. Okay? So, when I'm breaking this stuff down, I'm breaking it down into 15-minute increments, and I'm looking at this, and I'm like, okay, what mindset do I need to be in? This is where a lot of this stuff plays. 95, or if not 99% of the things that you're doing is here. It's not necessarily in the physical, in your body. It's not what your body does. It's you actually engaging in getting a little hustle in your body, of course, and going after and knocking these targets down. I'm breaking this down into 15-minute increments. Okay, after I'm done with this video today, I still have 3 more sales calls today. Okay, I'm going to break these down, and each one of them is a 15-minute call. Okay? Okay, I want you to make sure that you're following me, because if you're not following me, then you need to go back and start from the beginning of this video. You need to be able to break this stuff down to the point where you have everything written out and you know what mindset you need to be in when you're talking to a client, when you're actually engaging in an activity that is something that is going to be productive for you. That way you don't have free time. You have free time when your day and your everything in your schedule, your targets, your activities have been shot down. If you're not breaking this stuff down, it's like trying to hit a target from 1,000 yards with a .22. Some people are probably laughing right now that are watching this. It's very difficult, if you can even hit it at all. I don't know anybody who can do that with a .22, but Do you understand what I'm saying? If you're constantly hitting your targets on a daily basis, you are not only are you building the muscle, but you're training yourself, this muscle, to understand that if I knock down my 15 targets a day, my 20 targets to this day, my 15 targets the next day, if I'm knocking all these targets down, I'm building myself up to be able to hit that goal that is there. That's my goal. One of my goals is to take my entire family to a place like this to live. That's going to require a lot of targets that I'm knocking down, whether it be me bringing people into my sales courses, or whether it's me bringing people to Sound and Gadgets who need audio equipment, headphones, earbuds, things like that, things that they use productively, maybe just to listen to music, maybe to listen to some audio, maybe to listen and watch, or possibly watching Big Red Leads. You never know. What I'm saying is Sound and Gadgets has all that. My sales courses, to bring these people in so that they can get better at their sales, understand that they need to be closing constantly to improve themselves, their business, and everything and every aspect around their entire life. Being in the right mindset. I write notes in here when I'm jumping on certain targets. Okay? I hope everybody understands this. Break down your schedule. Break down your time into smaller increments, smaller little pieces of the pie, so that you can actually create time and create more opportunities by simply creating more activities that are building the foundation to what you're actually trying to accomplish. Is your goals, and reach dreams and reach heights where I know you can get there. You know you can get there. You need to discipline yourself. This is discipline. Your recipe for success is in your schedule. There's a lot of other things that go into it, obviously, with the recipe. You want it to be a delicious meal that you can actually sit back and enjoy. Put my feet on the sand. This is it, my friends. These are some of the basics. This way, you get these things down, we're going to start getting into more videos on sales. Mindset, sales. Client, sales. Customer, sales. There's a difference between customers and clients. Referrals. All right? Let's get this down. Whatever works for you, but you want to increase your activity, increase your opportunity, increase your time. You are creating time and creating opportunities by the more targets that you present to yourself, and you're knocking them down on a daily basis. Like, share, definitely subscribe to the channel. This is Big Red Leads. Hope this message helps today. Enjoy your day. Go out and knock those targets down so that we can actually start getting into goals. Love you all. Talk soon. Have a great, great, great day, my friends.